Bailey's puppy's at 6 weeks. It's a hot, hot day. We won't be out too long. Where did you go? There you are. Don't follow my feet. Okay, babies. There's little Ruby. It's a girl. You don't know your name, but you should come running. Okay, puppies. Stop my feet. They're too cute. Okay. Go explore something. There you go. Good boy. You go pee-pee. Good boy. Now where are you? All I can see is my own shadow. It says smell the flowers. Don't eat them, just smell them. Pretty boys. There's Cooper. You love the flowers.